Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust display brightness on Dell XPS laptop. And to do this, first let's open our start. There's a few different ways we can do it, but first let's go through this. So we need to open our settings, then system, here enter display. Now locate the brightness and there's a slider that you can adjust your display brightness with. And the next option is to use your keyboard. So let's take a look. Here's the keyboard and you can see this sound button, which is much bigger than, or actually, okay, let me say it like this. So we have F6 and F7. F6 will decrease the brightness of your display and F7 will increase it. But to take the effect, we'll need to hold the Fn button. So hold it like this and then press on each of the buttons to adjust the brightness. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.